Hey, what's going on, everyone? Quick morning scalp update. I only am taking one scalp trade today. I kind of assumed the market would be choppy, so just wanted a quick in and out to start the day and call it good. So basically, I was watching Tesla. Here was the open today, and this is a 1-minute chart, by the way. So I noticed that we have a big candle here, so I'm looking at this base as a key level, and I want to see if it's going to break down or hold. And you can see we have low sell volume here, all right? We get a nice little sweep here, and it's bought back up. So I'm considering that as a deviation, okay? So that looks like a deviation. Not only that, I have a Top Goon X buy approaching alert, all right? And I have momentum on Top Goon X pushing up as price pushes down, which is actually a bullish divergence. I also have an inverse head and shoulders on OBV, okay? So I have a lot of potential signs for a low time frame bounce here, all right? So I'm watching this, and I see a nice big green candle. So I'm going to look at the base of that as my key point here, and I'm going to ignore everything else, and I'm saying, okay, the base of this is my key level to hold, and I want to see this be a higher low for a push, all right? So I'm waiting, and I notice that there's very low sell volume here, which is a good start, and I'm just waiting for some sign for entry, okay? This wicks below on very low volume initially. Okay, this dropped below and it was really low sell volume. And then all of a sudden I see green volume start to tick in and I see volume start to come in and price pushes up. Okay, so I'm looking at that and I'm like, okay, that's a reversal candle. This closes and I'm like, okay, that's a higher low. So I'm watching the next candle for follow through. All right, and I see a retest of this level again, and it starts to get bought back with volume coming in. So I immediately mark it in, and I got in at 290. Okay, $200.90. So that's where I got in. And basically my risk is below this candle here, this level. All right. And I don't want to see price basically go down at all or go below that. So I could essentially just mark it out immediately or put a stop loss there, okay, if I have time. So what I'm looking for is just an increase in momentum or a continuation of that momentum. And you can see I get this nice big high volume candle here. All right. So at this point, my risk is nothing, because if this starts to drop down here, I'm closing anyway. And you can see I get another follow through candle and a large upper wick. And that becomes basically it's like a half wick, half candle body. And that's immediately I'm out. Okay. So I got in at 290. I got out at probably about 202.80. Okay. So it's just about 1% trade in 1, 2, 3 minutes. Quick in and out. Very, very low risk. Made a little profit, and I've avoided the chop the rest of the day, and I'm not really going to mess with it. So hope you guys found that educational, and yeah, I'll see you later. Peace.